If Conforeigner own 100% Dubai Mainland company keeps failing, you're doing this wrong, and here's the 4-minute fix. Here's the problem. Most start with the tool, not the outcome. Win 1. Write your outcome in one sentence in under 60 seconds. Win 2. Pick the smallest version of Conforeigner own 100% Dubai Mainland company you can ship in 7 days. Why does this matter now? A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google profile. Within 48 hours your bookings drop 30%. Conforeigner own 100% Dubai Mainland company done right closes that gap in days, not months. Most people fail here. They jump straight to tactics without defining the outcome. Do not do this. 82% of Conforeigner own 100% Dubai Mainland company attempts die in week 1 for this exact reason. Step 2. Time box the first cycle to 7 days. 82% of Conforeigner own 100% Dubai Mainland company attempts that ship in week 1 keep going. Step 3. Set one number to track. This is important. Most people pick 4 KPIs and lose focus by day 3. One number costs $0 and saves 4 weeks. Here's the problem. Most Conforeigner own 100% Dubai Mainland company guides skip the measurement step. That is why 7 in 10 attempts die in week 2. Once steps 1 to 3 are working, here is the move that separates pros from amateurs. Layer Conforeigner own 100% Dubai Mainland company into a weekly review. Every Monday, look at the one number. Ask one question: did it move? If yes, double down. If no, change one variable, not 5. The viewer who masters this beats 90% of competitors. Use this exact phrase when you start. By Friday, I will know if Conforeigner own 100% Dubai Mainland company moved my one number. Outcome first, tool last. Ship the smallest version in 7 days. Track one number weekly. Start now. Visit https://bastionformations.com.